Hi folks, Mr. Hart here. Just giving you an idea of how to do this Timbre Lab assignment. So hopefully you had a chance to read through some of the vocab terms in Quizlet, understanding what timbre is. If you haven't picked that up, that is literally the differences that our ear makes to the sounds that we hear. For instance, consider your family. Different members of your family sound different to you. Even when you don't see them, you know who's speaking from the other room. So there's two parts of this. Part one, you get to create timbres of different sounds. For part two, you're going to pick one of those instruments and create a high sound and a low sound. If you need to have two different ones here, that's fine. Let's go ahead and start an attempt so I can show you what to do here. So part one, I create sounds of different timbres. I have three sounds in front of me right now. I'm going to go ahead and play them all for you right now. I'm going to go ahead and separate with this is sound one, this is sound two, and so on and so forth. Here I go. This is sound one. This is sound two. This is sound three. And I can play those back. And you can listen to them to make sure that you have what you need on your recording. When you're happy with that, hit next. This is part two. I want you to record sounds on different pitches. So if you have an instrument here, like here I have a guitar. You can use that. If you don't have an instrument at home, that's okay. You can go ahead and use something as simple as a 2 cups filled with different amounts of water, or even use your imagination, use the internet. Go ahead and find some ideas of different homemade instruments to make, or different things that have a high pitch and a low pitch. So like if you have a sibling, that could work as well. I'm just giving you guys ideas. But okay, go ahead and create a high pitch sound and a low pitch sound. I'm going to go ahead and preface this with, this is my low pitch, this is my high pitch. Here I go. This is my low pitched sound. This is my high pitched sound. This is my low pitched sound. This is my high pitched sound. I'm going to go ahead and re-record that. That did not sound that great. This is my low pitched sound. This is my high pitched sound. This is my low pitched sound. This is my high pitched sound. Now, I would go ahead and re-record that until I was happy with it, which right now I'll do that later after this video. When I'm happy with it, I'm going to go ahead and answer this last part. How did the size of the instruments you recorded impact the pitch of the sound it made? You can talk about how like smaller instruments sometimes did this, larger instruments sometimes did this, and expand upon that and say, like, for instance, give me an instrument that you used and what pitch it sort of had. After you had that, go ahead and hit review, hit finish, and you're done. Looking forward to the submissions, guys.